Alright, so I have this ceiling fan motor that I want to test, but I don't want to go and hardwire it all in if it doesn't work. So what I'm going to show you how to do today is make a temporary power cord to test electronics. Welcome to Shane's Main Shop, where I cover a wide variety of topics such as how-to, home improvement, some auto repair, some woodworking videos, as well as I do some funny videos of my life stories, and if I go away, I try and get some video of some of the places I go. So anyways, thanks for swinging by and stick around. Alright, so what you're going to need is a cord, power cord off some sort of old electronic that's no good. I cut it off close to the unit itself, so I could have a pretty long cord and then, a plug end. And what we're going to do, and then also you need some alligator clips. I would recommend getting the ones that have the rubber cover on them so that they can't touch together when you're using them. But I happen to have these laying around, so this is what we're going to use. You only need 2. This is a pack of 4. And then, of course, you need a couple tools. And in my case, I'm going to use a soldering iron and some solder to make all these connections. You can get some of these that screw on, and these actually clamp, but I'm going to solder them as well. First thing you want to do is separate this wire a little bit. So this is probably not the best cord for the job, but it will work. So I want it a little ways away, so they'll be away from each other. And then you got to strip the wire. So then you can see I have some of the metal exposed, or the copper wire itself exposed. Alright, let's twist that a little bit. Get out a couple. And you're just gonna, in this particular kind, just gonna slide them in like this. And I'm gonna crimp it here, but then I'm gonna solder it up there. So I'm just gonna squeeze that like that. So that's secure, but again, I'm gonna solder it up there as well. So we're gonna do the same thing with this one here. Now this soldering iron doesn't get hot until you push the button. So that's good in a way, because it does get hot quick. I just got some real soft solder here. And you can see already it's smoking, so she gets hot fast. Just gonna get that down in there and melt some of that solder down on to the wire. I'm going to let that cool. Alright, so I got it clamped in the vise, and you want to make sure that motor can spin freely. And now we're going to hook up. Alright, the key to this is to make sure these don't touch. When you hook that up, of course, you do not want this end plugged in. Hopefully that's obvious, but anyways. Now I'm just going to plug it in real quick to see if we got it on. And there we go. So now we have a little test cord. So that's off. That's on. There's 3 different speeds. And off. And then you can switch the switch to make sure it works the other way. And there it goes. Three different speeds, and it works perfectly fine. So now I know I can take the time to put that ceiling fan in, and I won't feel like I'm wasting my time if I get it all in and it doesn't work. So I picked the ceiling fan up for free. It's in excellent shape, other than I didn't know if the motor worked. Anyway, this is just a quick how-to video, how to make yourself a test power cord for testing little electronics like this. Anyway, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment. There'll be a video up in each corner here you can choose from that might have an interest to you. And don't forget to click on my subscribe button down there and share this video. I appreciate it, and as always, have a great day.